If the decision we made as cabinet has not gotten favor with the people of Kenya, the same cabinet cannot review that decision. I think what the president has done is the right thing. Give some other minds the benefit to interrogate what the cabinet did against what the people of Kenya are saying and advise the government on the best way of going about it.
Now, we understand the president is leaving the country tonight. Are you aware?
I am told he is leaving the country, but I'm not aware of the time. So I've not been informed as of this evening.
Has he briefed you?
No, I have not talked to him today.
But he's leaving.
Well, he'll talk to me in his own
you're
time.
his senior most assistant, principal assistant.
Yes.
And you do not know?
As the time he's leaving, I'm not aware.
Did he tell you he's leaving?
I have not talked to him today.
You don't know? He has not officially, communicated to you telling you that he's leaving? No, he has not
communicated to me officially.
For how long can you continue with this?
Well, as long as it depends on the boss.
Your family is devastated. You said your words. You feel you've been mistreated. You said.
Yes.
You think the president needs to call the people around him to order?
Yes, of course, absolutely.
Would you resign?
No, never. Why? I've been given a job by the people of Kenya. This job has its own hindrances and challenges. It's part of the job process. And when I took this job, I knew it's not easy. Only I didn't know it will be that soon. I thought probably we'll have a good time the first 5 years, and if there are challenges, maybe later. It's only that it has come sooner than we anticipated, and we had been given a commitment that this will not come. But now that it has come, we live with it. Okay. We'll just work.
As we close, the governor of Nairobi feels that for you to say you're introducing him to the people is wrong, because the same people had voted for him as senator. What is introducing him to the people?
Well, you should ask him why he called me to go with him to the people. Because he needed them. And he asked me to go with him. I did not invite myself to the campaign meeting. If I had no value, he would not have asked me to go with him.
There are those that are asking that if the Deputy President of the Republic is championing for the issues of Mount Kenya, who is supposed to champion for issues of other regions? Should they get their own Deputy President?
The Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya had a meeting here discussing matters to do with Northern Kenya and Northeastern Kenya for a full day. That is not Mount Kenya. The Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya was in Mombasa at the agricultural show. That is not part of Mount Kenya. The Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya has been to Kajiado to work on agriculture. That is not part of Mount Kenya.
How many meetings have you held in the Northeastern?
I have been to Northeastern more than 5 times.
Championing the issues of Northeastern?
Yeah, drought. Going there to make interventions. Going there on matters of security. The cabinet committees have held here 35. Those members who attend that committee, we don't discuss Mount Kenya issues. We discuss the issues of Kenya. Those 333 agenda items are not about Mount Kenya. They are about the Republic of Kenya. I do the job for the Kenyan nation. I assist the president to run the country. And I preoccupy myself with issues for the whole country.
Yes,
but I come from somewhere. And where I come from, where they have issues that they want articulated in high levels of government, they ask me to do it, and I always do it, and I'll continue doing it.
You assist the president deliver on his mandate, but he doesn't tell you what he's doing, including tonight. You don't know what time he's traveling.
What is important are the duties that he has given me to do, and I'm doing them.
Okay, all right. Now, Deputy President, last year you promised, alongside the president, that